Welcome to the Lynx Secure Digital Photo Management Software application. Lynx is a powerful, secure visual documentation software application that gives you eyes on every project so that you can see current work in progress, critical path and milestone completions. Lynx also allows you to go back in time, see through walls, floorings, foundations to see exactly what occurred, where, and by whom, giving you a complete visual exact as-built of your entire project from start to finish. Our latest version is all about simplification and streamlining your visual documentation process. The software is designed to fit any size organization. Everyone has different needs when it comes to photo documentation, so we want to make sure with the Lynx digital photo management software that you're able to not only gather all of the information that you want with regards to the date and time the image was taken, the photographer, but Lynx also allows you to create your own custom user-defined search fields. These can be whatever you need them to be. You can have as many as you want. In this example, I've got a location and I've also got type of work. These are tags that I want to add to photographs as I file them to the system so that I can easily find them or link them later to other applications. I can also choose whether or not these fields are going to be mandatory or required, whether I'll allow users to add new values, or whether I want to restrict that so that they must pick from the list that I've built here. So it gives you complete control over your visual documentation. And it also ensures that you always get the exact information that you need. Let's quickly take a look at some of the functionality with regards to browsing your projects. So when we click Browse, select the project we want to view and open it up into the thumbnail viewer. You'll notice you can upload images, PDF documents, videos. Select the image or images that you'd like to view and open them up into the photo viewer. Now in the photo viewer off to the left, you'll see all of the information such as the original date and time the photo was taken, any caption or name that you've given the photo, the photographer, any notes, and then of course your custom user-defined search fields. If I click the Show Metadata, this will show me all of the embedded metadata coming from the device that took the image. So I know the camera make, the camera model, GPS coordinates, anything and everything that your device provides for those photographs we're going to grab and pull into the system along with the images. We can go back and forth through our images. You can also view the images in full screen mode. And in addition to that, of course, you have your popular redlining feature. This is a great tool for punch list items or to very quickly and easily draw attention to anything that you want within your photograph. Simply place the objects anywhere that you want on the screen. You can rotate them any way that you want. You can pick whatever color, font, size you want, background, and then save the layer. And that never modifies or tampers with your original secure photograph ever. Think of it like a clear plastic layer you can load on top of an image to immediately draw attention to an item that needs to be addressed. Let's just bounce right on back to our thumbnail browser. Also, if your device that you're taking images with is GPS enabled, select the images and view on a map. Now that you're viewing on a map, click on a pen to view the photo for that location. Go on back to the map, click on another pen to view the photo taken for that location. You can also switch between map, satellite view, and so on. You'll also notice in addition to images, you can upload video and/or PDF documents. Select them, open them up into the photo viewer. So there's our photograph. Let's go next. Here's our PDF document. Let's go next, next, next. And of course, here's the video. On the videos, you can fast forward, you can rewind, and you can also play in full screen mode. We've added a new project page as well, so if you click on that, it'll bring up your company logo with whatever project information you've set up when you created the project. So you've got the name, the number, a description, a start and end date, and then whatever notes you'd like to say about this project. We've also got a public-private feature, so if I want specific images to be private and not available to everyone, I select them and then click on the private padlock. Now those images have the padlock and those are private images and users must have rights to see those, and if I share these images via hyperlinks, the private images will not show up. You also have a very quick and easy filter to use to show just private images only. That way if you're doing an approved, unapproved type of process, it's very easy to select certain images and make them public. And now we'll go back to viewing all images again. So here in the Project Thumbnail Browser page, we can select all images, deselect all. We can print our images. If we want to take a copy of these images and save them out, we can do that. Just save, pick what resolution you want, or don't resize. And now I've just downloaded a copy of these images that I can use in any other application, while still maintaining my original tamper-proof secure image back in my Lynx database. In addition to printing and saving, it's also very quick and easy for us to drill down through a project. So if I've got thousands of images within this one project, I just click on the search icon, and I can search by photographer, date, time, captions, notes, any of my custom search fields. So in this case, I want to pick anything where the status is equal to completed. So that quickly I've filtered down the images to just the completed ones that I want to view right now. Of course, we can view the images. In addition to that, it makes it very quick and easy to link images and share them. So if I want to share just these 4 images right here, I select them, click on Generate a Link, give it a name, and that's it. Now I've created a hyperlink that I can copy and share with anyone, and without them having to install anything, without me having to attach any image files or them downloading any files, they would just simply click on the link and up would come those 4 images that I've shared with them. If they select the images in view, the red line layer will show up automatically so they know exactly what I need done, where, and by when. So selected images are what we call static hyperlinks. In addition to static hyperlinks, you can also link your images to any schedule, CAD drawing, SharePoint, any other application or tool that you use to manage your construction projects with. Lynx links are ideal for sharing images within your organization or outside your organization. For example, here, if we come into our search menu, you'll see we've got our static hyperlinks, like the punch list that I just created, which I can also, by the way, immediately email, tweet, post to my Facebook account or LinkedIn account right from within the application. So if I wanted to email this punch list to a contractor, I highlight it, click on the email icon. You'll notice it writes the email for me. All I do is give it a delivery address and send. So the recipient, when they check their email, without having to download anything, install anything, they just click on it, up comes the hyperlink, they can select the photographs and view the images. So it allows you to share it immediately. Another type of link that you can create is what we call a dynamic hyperlink. This is ideal for things like CAD drawings, schedules, and you can link it to any type of drawing, schedule, whether it's P6, SureTrack, Microsoft Project, or Meridian's Prolog. Dynamic hyperlinks are based on queries. So for example, if we look at this, this is saying that any image that has a status of on schedule will show up. So over here, if I've got a link embedded on a CAD drawing, for example, I click on Access Roads, up come all the images. Today there's 19, but if any of our field personnel upload any images ongoing and tag them Access Roads, they'll show up here automatically without us having to do anything. So it's a link that you put just one time into your schedule and or into your CAD drawing, and then it gives you instant access to those images from any other application. So dynamic hyperlinks ebb and flow with your data. That way they're always kept current and you're always up to date. You can also create what's called a project hyperlink to share the entire project either internally or externally. So we just select the project hyperlink, and again, if I want to email that, I click on the email icon. If I want to throw that to my Twitter account, I can post a tweet right from the application. And now if anybody's following me or goes to my Twitter account, here's the link that we just posted for test project training. And if they click on it, they can have access to all of the images right from our Twitter account, Facebook, or LinkedIn. So Lynx integrates all of your visual project documentation with all of your other software applications and tools for managing construction projects. If I want to upload more images, video, or PDF documents to this project, it's very easy. I just click on the upload icon. Now I go browse anywhere on my local drive, network drive, removable drive, pick the image or images that I wish to upload right now. Then I can tag them with my captions, photographer, any notes that I'd like to add, and then of course those user-defined custom search fields. So if this happens to be location Phoenix, I want to change that. Status is on schedule, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and upload the images. Now when we go back to our thumbnails, of course, here are the images that we just uploaded a moment ago. We can also go back to the Browse Project screen and upload this way. We select the project that you'd like to upload to, click on the Upload icon, and browse to the files. Pick whatever image or images you'd like to upload. Put in your captions, notes, search fields, upload, and you're good to go. So now if we go back to our project list, pick that project in view, we'll have the additional image that we just uploaded a moment ago. So you can upload within the project, you can upload from the project list. The third way in which you can very quickly and easily upload would be using any mobile device, whether it be an Apple iOS device or an Android device. You can download our mobile app from either the iTunes App Store or from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app downloaded, simply tap on the application icon. That'll bring up a list of projects. Tap on the project you want to file to, and then tap on Choose Photos. Tap the image or images that you'd like to upload and hit Select. I've got 10 photos. I'll go ahead and tap Next. Now I can put in my captions, notes, and search field. To change a search field, simply tap on it, tap on the new value, and then when you're ready, tap on Upload. Once it's complete, it'll ask you if you want to upload more, or you can go ahead and just close the app down. If you're taking a lot of repetitive photos or photos from the same location, then our plan view is designed with you in mind. Here you can upload maps, CAD drawings, renderings, aerial photos, anything that you'd like, and then you can place location markers anywhere on the drawings, maps, or photos that you want. You can then preset those locations with information that's already set up and tagged for that particular project and location. So now if we acquire new images, browse to the location or locations, select the images, and upload. And watch how simple and easy it is to file images in this manner. So if these 3 images right here belong to the upstairs study, select the location and file the images. Now I want to take these 3 images here, they belong to the basement. I can either select the marker or I can use my pull down list, pick the location I want, it'll highlight it for me, and file the images. Now I'll select the next set of images, file those to its location, and finally I'm left with the remaining 2 images, and I'll file them over here to the master bedroom. So now I've filed all of my images, I'm good to go, and if I ever want to see all of the images for the upstairs study, I select the location and view markers. And now we're looking at all of the images for that location. You'll notice it already has all of the information preset on it, and I can go back and forth now through my photos. Go right on back to the project, and then of course we can jump right on back to the plan. So the plan view is ideal again for CAD renderings. Could be aerial photographs or photographs where you want to put locations, as well as CAD drawings or renderings. Secure visual documentation is critical for your construction projects. For example, we had a client where they were going to be back charged for all of the damage along the roadway to their project. They had the foresight to take pre-construction images of the roadway and was easily and quickly able to show that all that damage had occurred prior to them even breaking ground. So that's a good example of where secure visual documentation can get you out of a claim or litigation situation immediately, whereas written documentation would have been subject to interpretation. And you won't find a better tool than the secure Lynx digital photo management software product to manage all of that visual documentation, find exactly what you're looking for any time frame or any area, and then to be able to visually link that to any other construction tool or any other construction partner or owner that you're working with. If you're a large organization, you may want to break your company down by groups. This is a very quick and easy way to dictate what users have access to which projects, and even if they have access to those projects, what rights or functionality will be available to them. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at 877-955-7711, extension 0 for sales, 2 for technical support, or please visit our website at www.lynxphotomanager.com. In addition to that, we also have a live chat available on our website so that you can talk to a live technician instantly if you need any assistance or help. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.